This agent will generate a functional test case for a product feature. So it's AI powered and it does do a lot of deep research to take a particular feature that you're interested in. So let's say, for example, I'm implementing a shopping cart feature. So it's going to take that feature. And the first thing this agent will do is it's going to go and actually generate a description about the feature, what it does, what the functionality is. So you don't actually have to provide this. If you wanted to, you could write your own description, but if you don't have that, it tells us what that particular feature is, what typical workflows are, what are the key inputs, what are the key outputs, what are the expected behaviors, all of which, as you can imagine, are critical to generate a test case. Now, you could enter your own information if you wanted, but since this is all AI based, we let you develop it. And then after that, you do have to make some changes to this uh, or just put a space there. And then once that is done, when you click go, this is now going to kick in and take this information, generate test cases, and for each test case, it's going to go and define what the test plan looks like and stuff like that. And so if you were to look at the final output, what you will get. And you can, obviously, as you can imagine, this is a test plan. If you wanted to, you could go to Actions, share this output, and make a copy of it so you have access to this test plan. But it gives you an executive summary. It talks about the shopping cart feature, talks about the feature overview, talks about key workflows, talks about the testing approach, and then these are the test cases. So it's got the core functionality, error handling, promotions, discount, cart management, persistent edge cases. Each of these has a number there. It talks about which ones are high, medium, low priority, how long it will take to actually test these cases. And then it goes into detail for each and every case. So, adding a valid product, what is the description, what are preconditions, what are the test steps, what are the expected results, what's the test data you could go use to actually go test this feature. And so you can notice that it actually generates over like 15 such test cases. In high detail, it talks about the execution timeline, what are the resources that are required, what success criteria looks like, what acceptance threshold should be for this test case, and then some appendix that you can go look at. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a shot. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.